Welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you one of my top 5 drinks in the world, the Pina Colada, one of the original classic tiki drinks. Don't forget, guys, you know what to do. Click like, subscribe, all that. We're going to make a blended drink, so I'm going to prep the pineapple first. We're going to use fresh pineapple in this, and because we're going to make 2 drinks, it's always more fun to drink with a friend. We're going to need 2 wheels of pineapple. We want to get rid of the skin. Nice and quickly. Now you can throw this skin away, you can put it in a compost, you can make the pache with it. There's many things you can do with that skin, rather than just take it to a landfill. Same with the core, we're not going to use the core. We just want the fresh pineapple flesh. And we want to give that a little chop. It's going to make it easier to blend up once we get it in the blender. So we're going to take our blender, throw those chunks in. Next, we will want to add some coconut cream. And we want to add 30 ml per drink, straight into the blender. Like so. And last, but by no means least, good Havana Cuban rum. You want to use a light rum in your pina colada, because that is apparently traditionally what's used. And we're going to put 50 ml per drink straight in there. Next up is the ice. You want to do 2 scoops. You want 1 scoop of ice per drink, and then we'll see how this is going to react once it gets into the blender. Now, the origins of the pina colada are definitely a mystery. Some say it was around the 19th century, some say it was 1950s hotels in Puerto Rico. One thing I can definitely say is it's definitely the national drink of Puerto Rico, and it was definitely invented in Puerto Rico, I believe. Next up, we're going to stick this on the blender and let it rip. We need to add a little bit more ice. As you saw as it was blending then, it looked very loose and wet. We really want to get this in a good, thick, almost slushy type state. And what you'll find when the blender's going, the blending like streams kind of start to like close in like a whirlpool. As soon as you get it real close, I know this is a weird diagram, but you'll see it in the blender, you'll know that you're at the right consistency. Perfect. Now we're just gonna give this a little taste. That's it, perfect. We're gonna go super crazy, and we're gonna go super cheesy, and we're gonna use it nice, big coupe glass. And then all you wanna do is get some nice pineapple leaves, get 2 of them, pop them in. And you shouldn't really do this in a coupe, but it is a frozen pina colada, so we're gonna throw some straws in there just because it's funny. And there you have it, guys, the pina colada, my preferred way. That's a goddamn pina colada, all right? Delicious, ice cold, smooth, fresh pineapple, coconut cream, and some good light rum. Everything that's in that glass comes through. The pina colada, that's the recipe to make. Remember that, that's the recipe to make, guys.